Lynette here, and today I have a 2nd September latest in beauty box. Now I do follow their kind of see what they're doing kind of weekly, so I'll go on and have a wee look. So I've already picked my September picks. I kind of left it quite late on actually, so that's not long been uploaded, and then the second box arrived. I'll show you why I went for a second box, but it was some products that I really fancied trying, and it was hair care, and there was a couple of things I also wanted to get again, so it was really worth my while in getting a second box. So I paid £18 for 9 items because I was an existing member, and I've got all this stuff ready to go to the post office, if you can see it in the background. Yeah, so I was an existing member, so I was allowed to keep my 9 items, but if I ever leave I will have to go back onto the 6 items. I think it's £12.95. You pay postage and packaging, but after you've been with them, I think it's maybe 3 months, you become pro and you get your postage and packaging for free. So it's definitely worthwhile sticking with them, because some months, yeah, you might struggle a little bit, but I have always managed to find 9 items, even if they're things for other people or to give away. So anyway, I'm going to dip into this box. I'm going to show you what I got. So the reason I actually got a second box was mainly to do with the fact that they had the range of Umberto Giannini products. So this is a smooth wash and the smooth care, so the shampoo and conditioner. So it's a moisturising shampoo that leaves your hair silky smooth, hydration to tame and shine. It says perfect base for going smooth, vitamin B5 to help condition and add moisture. Hair is more manageable after every wash. Used with smooth care, they make the perfect pair together. Now, smooth care, it says tames, smooths, restores moisture for shiny, manageable hair. So they are 250 mils each, and they're on the website at the moment. It does have a sale, but I'll give you the pre-sale price, which is when I kind of looked at getting these, they weren't in the sale. So the shampoo and the conditioner are £6.25 each, so that would be £12.50 if you were getting the two. However, they are on sale at the Umberto Giannini website. I think Boots and Superdrug might also have them at reduced prices. The next one I picked up was the Blow Dry in a Bottle High Lift Volume Blow Dry Spray. Lift, volume and shine, heat protecting styling spray for luxuriously bouncy super smooth hair. I always pick stuff like this up, but I never really use it because I don't blow dry my hair. But I thought I would get the whole set, everything that was available to me, and this was, so this is a blow dry in a bottle. Come on, Lynette, you wrote it down somewhere. No, apparently I didn't. I didn't write the price down for this one, but I think it was in between £6.25 and £8.25, so there we go. I wrote down all the other prices. Totally bizarre. Anyway, that'll muddle up my final total that I was going to tell you about. So the last product in the range that I picked up was the Miracle Worker Smooth Serum. Tames, defrizzes and adds shine. Now, I'm really looking forward to trying this. I do like to add the serum. My friend Kate, who has a YouTube channel, KASW, so go and join her. She sent me the Avon serum, and she sent me it ages ago, and it was one of these things that had been in the back of my cupboard and I'd never got round to using until I did my product inventory. I thought, oh, I must try this, and I loved it, so I will definitely try and repurchase that one, but I want to see what this one's like. The next product is one that I picked up last month as well. So I picked up one for Stephen, but I also pick them up if they're on for my friend's husband. So this is, let me see, this is about £6. That's £6.90 or just £6? Yeah, it's under £7 anyway. So I picked that up. So as you'll see, it's quite a good size of a spray. The first time I got this, it was broken, the lid was off, and my whole package ended up kind of soggy. But Latest in Beauty customer service is fantastic. They couldn't replace the item, but they sent me out another product really quickly, which was brilliant. And oh, I can actually smell the product through the box. I couldn't use this because my husband can't stand lavender. It gives him a headache. I always say that's because he's too tense, that lavender gives him a headache. So it's chamomile lavender and chamomile essential oil. So I've got one to give to Stephen and one to give to my friend's husband David. So there we go. I had to purchase another one of these. Now I haven't used this yet, but one of my amazing subscribers have said to me it is absolutely brilliant. So I thought while it's on there, I would get another Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Body Scrub. So it says exfoliate and renew with eucalyptus and spearmint. So I imagine that will wake you up when you're using that. Now this was, how much was this? £15.95. So, you know, that box is £18. One product is almost paid for that box. I mean, I don't look at the prices before I decide to purchase something. I purchase something and for the point of this video, sometimes I look up the prices, sometimes I don't. Just depends how I'm feeling. Oh, it smells amazing. And yeah, just don't get that in any of your private parts, I would say. Keep it out your eyes, your nose and your bits, because that might sting. Not that you put a scrub near there, understand. Yeah, make sure you wash your hands before you maybe shower gel first. I'm going too far with this. Mane and tail, the Herbal Grow leave-in cream. I love this. It's olive oil and keratin, 150 grams. Absolutely love this stuff. So this is my second additional purchase because I've already finished my first one. So this is £7.25, and yes, I would actually repurchase this because I'm trying to get out the habit of washing my hair every single day. So I have to wet my hair every single day just to kind of try and style it and do anything with it, but it does still take hours to dry. But I try not and wash it and condition it, so I can do that now. I've switched to the shampoo bars, which haven't been causing my hair or scalp to become itchy. I used the ones that I got from Latest in Beauty, the fantastic ones. Is it Mila something? With the bottles that were made from recycled ocean plastic, and I loved that idea, and it just made my scalp itch. But interestingly, my husband said to me, oh, that shampoo, that must be expensive. And I said, why? And he went, oh, you get a really good lather with it. And I thought, no, that's maybe why it's itching my hair, because you don't want the products that give you the really good lather. But he thinks that when I've got shampoo like that, it's really expensive, and so the ones that I'm paying extra for, he thinks are cheap. So, because they don't make his hair, he's not got any hair, but his scalp, his bits of hair on his scalp, he does have hair, he just shaves it off. I've got another one of these, I haven't tried it yet, but Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil Intensive Repair Mask. There we go. So I had to get another one of these because I love the black castor oil products that I have tried before. So that's about £10. I could find that on the website. And last but not least, I picked up one of these makeup sanitizing sprays, Cinema Secrets by Pro Cosmetics. I found that on Feel Unique for £7.15. So I think it would be quite good. I've actually packaged off all the eyeshadows and things that I'm sending to people. But I think that'd be quite good for just sanitizing the eyeshadows that I've still got. So that was the last of it, but they have popped in again. But my skin's really kind of going through, I'm getting lots of spots under my chin. So I think this might be quite good. They've popped in 3 of these little Cetaphil moisturisers. So I am looking forward to kind of using those and seeing if they help my skin. So I have to make up a total for that product that I didn't have. I'll just say £6. So this month it's come to £67 worth of products for £18, which I think is fantastic. You know, that's more than 3 times what I paid for the box. And it's all things that I will use. So unlike some other subscription boxes, you just kind of have to take you know, this is what you're going to get, this is what you need to use. But I love the fact with this one, I can actually make sure I keep up a stock of certain items. So I'm really hoping that this shampoo and conditioner will not make my scalp itch, but we will wait and see. I can keep you posted, but at the moment I am on the shampoo bars and not shampooing every day and not conditioning every day either. Although sometimes you can, when you've got curly hair, you can do a conditioner wash instead of a shampoo wash, but that confuses me. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm just going to pop all these items back in the box and go and try a home for them. Yeah, let me know if you think it was worth a second box this month, and if you got any of these. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.